Hello Earthlings! For today's video, we are reconstructing a thrifted t-shirt that is weirdly formed into a crop top. I don't like the sleeves of the shirt, but I really love its banana prints. First up, we are going to remove the sleeves by just simply cutting it. Alright, we're done cutting the sleeves. Next up, I am using my old Forever 21 crop top t-shirt as a pattern. I traced the sides and the sleeves area. After these, I'm going to do the same with the other side and then cut it out. This is how it would look like afterwards. Third step, I traced the sleeves of my Forever 21 t-shirt into the cut-off part of the t-shirt because I'm gonna be using it for the sleeves. I only traced the front part of one of the sleeves and then I folded it, and that's when I cut it out. Now we have our sleeves. Fourth step is sewing time. First, we're gonna sew the sides and then we're gonna connect the sleeves. Sewing the sleeves was not an easy task. I had to really do it slowly. And we're done. Here's the final look. I zigzag stitched the lower hem that gives it a lettuce effect. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this a thumbs up if you fancy what I did, and if you think I failed, please leave a comment.